Hello, hi, and welcome to this very video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is me, Mr.Drakenhoff, as you can see right here or there, I don't know, up there. It's been a while since I've made one of these videos. The reason being, well, we'll get to that. And by the way, this video is sponsored by Autodoc, but more on that later as well. I want to know how you guys are doing. I know the season over here is just, it's over, it's done. It's, you know, it's winter. It's not really winter because it's just ice, and then it rains, and then the rain kind of freezes during the night, and then we've got ice. There's no snow here as of right now, and it sucks. Christmas is around the corner. I'm sorry I haven't been able to make one of these, like, what, a video. I usually make videos on this channel. If you're not familiar with what my YouTube channel is, it's videos that I make. The reason that I haven't been able to make them as of late is because, one, I've got PMS. PMS is a condition that, if you don't know what it is, it's parked motorcycle syndrome. I don't know if that is that the correct way. So what parked motorcycle syndrome means that I've parked my bike, as you know from my latest video. It kind of ended abruptly since my tire got flat. But I don't know what to do now that I don't have the bike. Or do I? Because that is what I'm gonna be talking about in this video, is what do I do when I don't ride my bike. Maybe you guys want to see more of that. If you want to see more of what I do when I don't use the bike and whatnot, then let me know. I don't know. It's kind of odd because my channel is basically, it's a motorcycle channel, but I like to do other stuff as well. I don't know if I want to include that in this channel or another channel. Right, so what have I been doing all this time? Well, the biggest and probably the most time-consuming thing I have done this fall is I've actually started studying. I've started studying film production here in Oslo. So I'm really thrilled. I love it. We get to play with cameras, play with cinema stuff. We make stuff, and I love it. So that has been taking a lot of my time. I've been getting up, going to school, being at school for almost the entire day, get home, get some sleep, and then go back to school the day after. And of course I've had some side projects, but it's taken a lot of my time, and that is basically the main reason I guess why I haven't been uploading. And I'm also, this happens every fall, but I get this weird like depression-ish thing during the fall when I realize that the motorcycle season is about to end. And it sucks, but it happens every year, and every year during the summer I'm like, this year I'm not gonna get like depressed or sad or whatever you want to call it. I use depressed very loosely here. It's not that I am really depressed, so don't get me wrong, but I get down, I just, everything just kind of sucks, to be honest. So I get this weird like depression every fall, and I don't know why, and I try to tell myself like every year, you're not gonna get to that depression this year. It's a part of being a biker in a country where there's snow half the year, I guess. And now a word from our sponsor. Autodoc has got a big car and moto parts store with a lot of different parts. They are cheap and they work in over 26 countries. And they even have a mobile app. So you can just, zippity zap on your phone instead of your computer. Now Autodoc has decided to give me my own promotional code, which will be Drakenhoff. I'll also type that on the screen, and in the description you'll also find links to both the app and the website. Thank you again, Autodoc, for sponsoring this video. I have kind of had my creative side, my creative hunger, if you will. It's been satisfied for the past couple of months when I've been at the school. So that's a very good thing. Especially since it is in the fall time, so I've kept myself busy, not thinking too much about bike and how much I miss riding, which I definitely do. But right now it's kind of a Christmas holiday thing, so I've got off school. I don't have that much to do at school as of right now. So I decided, hey, you guys, probably there's like a lot of you. I don't know how it got so many, but I'm very grateful. Thank you. Just keep in mind that this isn't my typical video. I usually make motorcycle videos, but I can't really right now, so maybe I'll start like filming some cars and stuff like that. I don't know, I've got some friends with cars. I have a car. I don't know. Comment if you would like to see that, and thumbs up that comment if you also want to see it but you don't want to comment. Great. So how do I combat my PMS? Well, I have been playing some video games. I mean, duh. I do play video games as well. It's really fun. I've played Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order. I haven't finished that one yet. And I have also played Call of Duty, the new one, which is good. Online could be... There are some tweaks they could do there, but you're not here for that. My point is, you need kind of other hobbies to be able to survive the winter. If all you do in the entire winter, and trust me, I've done this myself, is going around, walking around, telling everybody, oh, I miss my motorcycle, you're gonna get depressed quite fast. So don't do that. Have a winter hobby. For me, it's gaming and drifting my car somewhere where it's legal. I mean, also I do make videos here, but I don't know. Find yourself a hobby that you want to do during the winter, and everything will be fine. So to finish off this video, I wanted to ask you, what do you want to see in 2020? I mean, motorcycle videos, car videos, I mean, what do you guys want to see? Do you want to see like the bike behind kind of video, or do you want to see motovlogs? Anyways, if I don't see you before 2020, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And hopefully this video wasn't all that too boring. I've probably thrown in some footage from the films that I've made on my school projects and other stuff. You know, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.